Alright guys, we got a carpet clean and it's pretty dirty. I don't know if it shows on video, but trust us, it's dirty. But we're gonna do a vacuuming first with the Sanitaire, what's this model called?
679J.
679J, and it's got the VG-1 Brushroll in it, which is the nicest Brushroll you're gonna buy. It's all bristles, no beater bars. So, okay, I gotta set the height. I'm not gonna do 2 directions because I'm not hearing any debris come up. This is just vacuum yesterday by a housekeeper. I'm just gonna go one direction, but I'm gonna do it good. Now here's the deal. This is a living room, hallway, and 2 bedrooms, but we're not gonna film.
Yeah, I'll show them
It's dark and.
I already vacuumed this bedroom completely in the closet. I vacuumed it both directions, overlapping passes at a slower pace than he just did, so it's good. But we're gonna this video is just gonna be the vacuuming
You
part.
can show them that bedroom.
Hold on, let me grab my light. Yeah, it's kind of funky lighting up here today.
Hold on, let me get back there. I'm gonna shut that door. I don't want it open. It's already vacuumed in the closet, so this will just be in the way in a couple of minutes, though, because I'm coming. I'm not gonna stop the vacuum. You can leave it open. I gotta go there and clean. But I'm gonna do the hall and go right in there. We're not gonna stop the camera or the vacuum or anything.
All right.
So here we
I
go.
hope this lighting's okay, because I don't want. It's kind of difficult in the hallway. This closet real good just a few minutes ago, so we're not gonna go back in there right now. Okay, hold that brush bar up. Let's see. There's some hairs on it.
That's a carpet fuzz.
There's,
Yeah, that's not hair either.
we'll clean it when we get, we got a seam ripper that we're gonna, we can get it fairly clean. If we have to, we'll take the brush. That brush bar is a major pain to take in and out on this.
Well, yeah.
At least on this one.
Well,
You really gotta fight
Let's go back
it.
in here. Take the light with you if you want.
Okay. Step on the cord. Okay, keep going.
Okay, when the next video is going to be us cleaning.
I'm gonna switch to that camera there and gimbal.
Yeah, because you don't know how long these
I'm
will
trying
run.
to save batteries.
The timer says 11:59, 12 minutes.
This is and I'm on the DJI RS4 Mini gimbal right now. It's got a nice handle on it that you can get down. You can get low shots.
But I'm basically going to run the vacuum out to the car, and then when I get back, I'm going to start pre-spraying.
Yeah, so I'm gonna shut everything down and switch cameras and get ready.
That'll give Joe
That'll be a separate video. Hope you guys enjoyed
give
this
Joe
one.
time to get ready for me to.
Oh, by the way, we have the big $8.99 vacuum next time. That's what's going to get used. It's a lot. It's twice as fast as this one.
Maybe, yeah.
We just wanted to show the new brush bar.
It takes more work to use too.
Well, it's heavier to carry around and up and downstairs.
Oh, for you guys who don't know, this VG-1 brush bar, it's a whole new vacuum. It's like we bought a more powerful, better vacuum now.
Yeah, it's working.
It really is that big a changer.
All right, we're going to stop this video here and hope you guys enjoyed that. And
be right back.
we'll have another video with the next step. So thanks for watching.